Hello friends, myself Ravi. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how we can implement event binding and what is event binding. Without getting late, let's get started. Event binding allows us to bind events such as keystrokes, clicks, hover, touch, etc. to a method in component. So we will bind one of the event to our HTML element and then on click of that element, some method will be invoked in the component. So let's see how we can implement it. Add one button, add click event in this small bracket click event and then equals to double quotes add the method that you are going to write in component file. Let's name this method greet users. Okay, now let's copy this method, go to our app.component.ts. Let's write this method. In this method, return alert greeting to all. Now, what we have done in the HTML, we have created one button. In this button, we have binded this click event and named this method as greeting user. So on click of this button, this method will be invoked and this method is written in the component file and it will return on one alert box with the message greeting to all. So you can see the data is flowing or getting binded from this HTML DOM to this component. So it is one-way data binding from the view to the component. Now let's go to our UI and see if it is working. Let's name our button greet me. Let's go to UI. You can see this greet me button. Click on this button. So on clicking of it, you can see one alert box is coming and it's saying greeting to all. Click on OK. So in this way, you can implement the event binding in our Angular application. This is the click event binding. We have different event bindings that you can learn. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, please comment it below. I will definitely try to answer it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel to get more updates. Thanks and have a nice day.